It's a new year, but we are guaranteed to see the same drama that we see year in, year out. The students that have matriculated, more especially the black students, are going to take part in the annual scramble for spaces, the annual scramble for funding from NEFSAS. This is the reality of the black child. The black child is still searching for the free education that the black child was promised by Ubaba Nelson Mandela. Ubaba Jacob Zuma pronounced free education in Nazareth Part 1. And following that pronouncement, the next 2 years became some sort of a relief because students were getting the funding and things looked like they were operating smoothly. And then Ramaphosa reinstated Blade Nzimande, the custodian minister of higher education. And he took things back to default settings, and students again were back to scrambling and sleeping in hallways, looking for spaces in institutions of higher learning. When will this problem be solved? Why is it that problems that affect mostly African people are looked at as something that is normal? How long will we keep on accepting the fact that we as African people still remain in the gutter and everything that is meant for us remains delayed and not taken care of and overlooked? It is very sad to see that over 30 years of what we call freedom and democracy, but the black person remains a charity case. We remain paupers. We remain the majority that depends on handouts. For how long will we accept our children to suffer like this? The working class has been reduced to poverty. That is intentional. Vuka Taki, uthatha izwe lakho.